This video was made by the Massachusetts Immigrant and Refugee Advocacy Coalition, MIRA, to share basic information and resources. You can learn more about us at www.miracoalition.org. Beware: the risks of not consulting an immigration lawyer or accredited representative. Do you need help with immigration? It's important to know who can give you legal advice. What is legal advice? All advice about immigration status, what applications to complete, how to fill out a form, or what documents to send is legal advice. Only lawyers and accredited representatives can give legal advice. An accredited representative is a trained immigration specialist who works at a nonprofit organization and gives free or low-cost advice. Check the Department of Justice website to confirm that the person or organization giving legal advice is qualified. A lawyer has a license to practice law, called a bar license. It is okay to ask someone to show you their bar license for proof. In the US, this is not disrespectful. It shows that you are well informed. If someone acts offended by this request or says no, that means something is wrong. Immigration law is very complicated. It is important to work with an immigration lawyer, not a divorce lawyer, or a real estate lawyer, or any other kind of lawyer. You also need to make sure your immigration lawyer has experience with cases like yours. For example, if you are applying for asylum, you need an immigration lawyer who has experience with asylum cases. How do you know if your lawyer or accredited representative is qualified? You can check online for reviews and testimonials. Ask a lot of questions. Have you worked in a case like mine before? How many cases have you worked on? What fees and services are included? Make sure you get a copy of the service agreement in writing. It is your lawyer's job to explain the aspects of your immigration case in terms you can understand. It is not okay for them to tell you it is too complicated or to ask you to distrust them. Anyone who is not a lawyer or accredited representative is not authorized to offer legal advice and is not qualified to help you with your case. You should never pay someone to help you with immigration unless you know they are a lawyer or accredited representative. Unfortunately, there are unqualified people who try to take advantage of immigrants who need help. They might call themselves immigration specialists, or notary publics, or notarios. Their help can actually hurt you and your immigration case. There are also unqualified people who truly want to help you with your immigration case for free. Maybe they have experienced the immigration process, or they help someone in their family with immigration. You should not let them help you. They are not qualified to give you legal advice, so their help can also hurt you and your immigration case. Think of your immigration case like a complex medical issue. If you needed heart surgery, for example, who would you want doing the surgery? A dentist? Of course not. You would want an experienced heart surgeon. Similarly, when you hire a lawyer to represent you in an immigration court or help you apply for asylum, you want someone who has lots of experience in those types of cases. They're the ones who can get you through the process safely. At MIRA, we've seen many cases where a notario submitted paperwork that had mistakes or gave someone bad advice. In other cases, notarios have included information in the application that is not truthful or is incomplete. Mistakes like these can have very serious consequences. You could face application denials, removal proceedings, accusations of fraud, or even criminal charges if things go wrong. A mistake made by a friend can hurt your immigration case as much as a mistake made by a notario, even if they truly want to help you and think they can. Mistakes can be difficult and sometimes impossible to fix, so it's better to work with a qualified lawyer or accredited representative from the start. Your rights matter. When you choose a qualified lawyer or accredited representative, you are protecting yourself and asserting your rights and dignity as an individual. When it comes to immigration matters, don't take chances with your future. Seek out a qualified and authorized legal representative who has your best interests at heart. Remember, you deserve the best legal representation possible, so don't settle for anything less. Stay informed, stay safe, and only accept legal advice from a lawyer or authorized representative, not a notario. Your future is worth it. Share this video with anyone you know who needs immigration advice. Together, we can empower our communities to navigate the immigration process with confidence.